I'm Jenny. You're live with CBBC coming up this Monday morning. Surprise results in the European elections and what it could mean. Plus, the Britain's Got Talent semi-finalists are revealed. This is Newsround. Let's start then with the results coming in from the European elections. The headlines are that the UK Independence Party has so far won more seats than Britain's traditional big parties, something that's a bit of a surprise. Votes are still being counted in Scotland and Northern Ireland, but UKIP's leader, Nigel Farage, has already described the results as the most extraordinary in 100 years. Here's the BBC's Jeremy Vine with more.
A huge election across 28 countries, but let's look at the dramatic events in the UK. Now, this is the map last time in 2009. Labour under Gordon Brown pinned back just to the northeast here. The Scottish nationalists painting Scotland yellow, but the rest of England, as you can see, well, it's all Conservative blue. 12 regions. Let's mark the map now in the colours it was left by the 2014 European election, and how dramatic a change is this. UKIP purple all over England. Labour first in Wales, the North West, the North East. Again, Scottish nationalist yellow in Scotland, and Labour doing very well too in London. Let's have a look at the count of MEPs, shall we, and see how many each party is left with. So UKIP in first place now have 24 members of the European Parliament. Second place, Labour, with 20. The Conservatives had 26 last time. They're down to 19. The Greens are in fourth place on 3. A good night for them. And a catastrophic evening for the Liberal Democrats, who are down to just 1.
Well, the BBC's political correspondent Chris Mason is in Westminster this morning. Chris, how big of a deal is this for UKIP?
Yes, morning to you. It is a huge deal, this, for the UK Independence Party, because pretty much in the last couple of years they've come almost from nowhere, and here they are winning a national election, beating the big parties, the Conservatives, Labour and the Liberal Democrats. They want UKIP to take Britain out of what is known as the European Union, a club of 28 countries that Britain has been a member of for a good number of years. And this result makes that possibility at some stage that bit more likely.
OK, and so what does this mean for the UK's main political parties?
It means a real head scratch this morning. What on earth to do about these new kids on the block who are doing so well? What can they learn from how UKIP have done? For the Liberal Democrats, who are in government with the Conservatives at the moment here at Westminster, it was a terrible night. They lost almost all of their members of the European Parliament. For the Conservatives and Labour, it was very close. Labour just managed to beat the Conservatives, but not by very much at all. And that means that plenty of people here will say that the general election, when people are sent here to Westminster to form a government in a year's time, is going to be very, very close indeed.
Thank you very much.